Hi guys, in front of me is Huawei Mate 20X and let me show you how to update apps. At first, open your Play Store. Then provide your Google account password. Let me do it off the screen. As only the password is entered, you'll open this panel. Obviously, if you already did it before, the Play Store would open in this panel. So once you're here, tap on your account icon, go to My Apps and Games, select Updates, and now you can either update one particular app by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.